Hi, I'm Rachel. Welcome to my channel, La Bricoleuse.
Lingerie designer Laura Tempesta gave an excellent TED Talk on the history of bra design and why it's so difficult to find a bra that fits. In that speech, she dispelled some myths about why women wear bras and dropped some serious wisdom about structural elements like underwires and knit versus woven fabrics.
It's an excellent talk, and literally anyone with even a tangential interest in bras should watch it. The link's in the description. But this video is not about bra history or bra criticism or finding the right size bra. And in this video, I assume that you've already found a brand and style of factory-produced bra that fits you well. I'm going to talk about the 3 ways I alter every bra I buy in order to reinforce its stability and prolong the life of the garment. A well-fit bra has a complex structure that requires customization in order to function at its best. And at present, that level of sophisticated construction isn't found in ready-to-wear undergarments. It's not that a factory can't make a bra with these features. It's that the bra buying market won't pay the price point required for the labor involved. As a home sewist, though, I can do the work to improve the garment. How am I qualified to make this video? I taught a graduate level course in structural undergarment construction in 2017.
One of our program's alumni, Aisha Lemming, is Dolly Parton's personal draper, so we understand bust support. Ready for my 3 tips? First, I machine stitch concentric arcs into the underside of the cups to give more stability and lift. I do 6 rows, but a smaller cup may only need 3, 4, or 5. These rows of stitches are 1/4 of an inch-ish apart, following the curve of the underwire. You might recognize this kind of spiral stitched cup structure from images of 1950s bullet bras. That's because this kind of stitching helps buttress the breast tissue for lift and shaping. Nobody has torpedo boobs naturally, but concentric stitching on a torpedo-shaped cup helped 1950s women achieve those shapes. You can use that to your advantage for helping a modern bra cup keep its shape, too. Almost all bra bands need reinforcement, especially for larger breast support. Stability in the band is a major element of fit. I stitch a 1-inch wide piece of elastic in with a serpentine stitch. Domestic machines often have this option on the specialty stitch dial. Ideally, I use a non-roll waistband elastic. Another way to help stabilize the band is to add a bone to the side seam. It depends on the size of your bust, whether you'll get the best support out of plastic boning, spiral steel boning, or flat steel boning. As someone with a narrow rib cage and large bust, I get the best result from a 1/2-inch flat steel bone. I spent 10 years of my life wearing a corset to work 6 hours a day, though, so your mileage may vary. If you want to consult some reference titles, Beverly Johnson's The Bra Maker's Manual, Volume 1 and 2, and Anne Hagar's Pattern Cutting for Lingerie, Beachwear, and Leisure Wear are reference books we used for undergarment construction patterning in my class. Not all of these suggestions will work for every bra style or every breast size, so take what seems like it might work for you and leave the rest.
I hope this was helpful, and if you have recommendations of alterations you like to do for your bras, please leave a comment and tell us about it. Subscribe to this channel for more costume and clothing related tips and tricks. And if you're here because of the Costume Symposium 2021, You can find the link to collect your badge in the description below the video.